If you don't like mysteries but still love curiosity, then this is for you. Why do birds fall from the sky in Jatinga? Deep in the hills of Assam, a small village holds a chilling mystery. Every year, on foggy monsoon nights, hundreds of birds suddenly plummet from the sky. Locals whisper of a curse, scientists scratch their heads. What is happening in Jatinga? Between September and November, during moonless nights, flocks of birds fly towards the village lights and mysteriously crash into buildings and trees. But why do only certain species behave this way? And why only in this one village? There are many theories, but no definitive answer. Scientists believe birds get disoriented by fog and artificial lights, causing them to fly toward their doom. Another theory suggests electromagnetic disturbances in the region disrupt the birds' navigation systems, but locals believe something more sinister is at play. They think Jatinga is cursed, trapping birds in a death spell. But here's something even stranger. Birds don't actually kill themselves. They become disoriented and crash, making them easy prey or unable to fly again. Researchers say humans have misunderstood this phenomenon for centuries. What looks like mass suicide may just be birds losing control in harsh conditions. Even today, scientists are studying the Jatinga phenomenon. Some efforts have been made to reduce artificial lights, helping birds stay on course. But the mystery remains, why only Jatinga? Jatinga's bird mystery is one of nature's strangest puzzles. Is it a rare natural event, a scientific phenomenon, or something beyond explanation? What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more incredible mysteries from India and beyond.